This is Total OS Today, Total Technology for beginners and beyond. In case you don't know what this channel is all about, it is primarily a technology channel talking about different operating systems. I am a Windows user that promotes Linux. I use Windows 10 and different versions of Linux. So if you are a newbie and you are new to all this, you have come to the right place. So welcome to the stream. I am testing SLOBS. Or, no, not the kind that walk down the street, but yeah. It is Streamlabs OBS. Now, normally when I do these live streams, I use either Google Hangouts or the standard OBS. But I wanted to try this. I've seen it all over YouTube from Streamlabs. It is their version of course, the open broadcaster software that is for both Linux and Windows. And let me refresh the chat here. Let's do this, do that. Okay, so in Streamlabs, when I look at the chat, it says 0 viewers. So I got a feeling somebody has to be there. So let me refresh it again, unless there's a delay. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, so it says 0 there. Again, this is pretty much my first look. I was looking at this before, like, I don't know, 2-3 hours ago, very briefly. But I kind of liked what I saw, so I'm taking a look at this again. Now, once again, this is Streamlabs OBS. This is a beta. It is not available for Linux as far as I know, so I'm testing this in Windows. So looking at the chat here in Streamlabs, it says there's nobody there. So let me go to the dashboard. We have Tim. Welcome, welcome. Jeff. Gotcha. Mark, welcome. The quality is amazing, but you're a robot.
We are the Borg. You will be assimilated in the Windows 10. Resistance is futile. DistroTube. You will no longer be unstable. Hi, DT. Jeff says 2 people are in chat. I got 0 views also. Well, if I go to the dashboard, I can see you. Tim, Jeff, Mark, DT. If I go to Streamlabs, refresh, I don't see anything in the chats. I'm not sure what's going on. Again, I'm still learning this, so I believe I can still show you what's going on, though. Hello, Gecko, welcome. So I'm assuming that you guys can hear me. Is this correct? Just say yes or no. Hello, CFW. The big echo in my voice. Okay, hang on a second. Let me see what's going on here. Let me go to the settings. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, I just changed something in Streamlabs. Let me know if that echo is still there, yes or no. It's still there. Okay. Let me go back to Streamlabs. Double feed. Got it. Okay, okay. Let me go back. And okay. Now tell me if that's any better. Hello, Norris. Switch. Okay, is the echo still there, or is this any better? Just say yes or no. Test, test. Okay. It's better. Thank you. Okay, cool. So let me go ahead and let me transition here. Okay, there. I wish I could see you guys in the chat in Streamlabs. It's kind of weird. You know, I could have done something wrong. I'm not really sure. Obviously, it's working because you guys can see the feed and hear me. Better. Okay, thank you. No echo. Thank you. Perfecto. Thank you. Okay. Let's see if I can transition. So there's a transition there. And now you should be able to see the display. I don't have a webcam hooked up. I don't want to complicate things any more than it has to be. But I believe you guys should be able to see this, I think, right? Let me pop out the chat. We'll just, once again, as far as I know, this is not available in Linux, so that's why I'm in Windows 10. Let me know if you guys can see this. Well, DT, I thought I would make you feel at home. So yeah, I mean, what are, you know, what's family for? What are friends for, right? Well, this is still a beta, so I'll cut it some slack. Okay. Can you guys see all this? You can, but very good, thank you. So this, yeah, the chat here for some reason is not working. I kind of like this integration with Streamlabs, but I'm not sure why it's not working. Refresh. I mean, we obviously have more than 0 viewers. We are live. Okay. I'm not sure. Let's do this. It'll just be easier this way. I'm not sure why that's not working, but that's okay. The glass full of bubbles is the jar. I guess it's supposed to tell me it's one of the widgets. Yeah, it's one of the widgets. All right. Yeah. Again, I'm still learning this. Try sending an outbound message. Okay, let's try it. I'll type in hi. See if that works. So the chat works on my end. But it's showing 0 viewers. Like I said, it is a beta. It may have been something I've done in the settings possibly, but that's okay. I don't mind trying out something new and going from there. Okay, so this is the main interface here. Here is dashboard. I'll just go through this real quick here. Dashboard. Obviously, I just started, so there's no donation or super chat. Dashboard, donations, sponsors, shared access, API settings. Again, there's a lot here, so I won't spend all. I just wanted to show you guys real. Connect to your PayPal. Well, that's convenient. Okay, account settings, integration, Patreon, widgets. Account widgets, community and growth, chatbot. Again, I don't quite understand all of this. Let's go to themes. These are nice, I guess, community themes. Different colors, animated or static. Select theme category. First-person shooter, action, multiplayer, MMO, role-playing adventure, generic, variety, dance, sports, real-time. Okay, well that's cool. We have the editor, and then live. Again, refreshing the chat does not work. Editor again, okay. I can transition. Okay, theme or color, it's, yeah, that's really white down that part. Studio mode or not studio mode. Streamlabs tracker. View issues. Okay, let's get out of that. This does a lot. Let's see, what's that? Discord. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Settings. General stream output, audio, video, hotkeys, advanced, overlays, notification, appearance, and remote control. I can restart the session. I don't want to do that. Again, I'm going through this kind of quickly, but this does a lot. So, and of course, the non-functioning chat here. Mixer sources, again, similar to what you would see in OBS. Click to read unread notifications. I won't mess with that. I can end the stream or I can record. CPU usage, frames per second, drop frames, and the version is 0.90. Let me go back to the chat. Let's see. Yeah, this is on Windows. It is not available for Linux as far as I know. Yes, I also want this on Linux. Yes, OBS is on Linux. That is correct. OBS is Streamlabs OBS. Well, this is more full-featured. As you can see here, the integration of the chat, for one thing, if it would work, it'd be great. Well, I know that works. My dashboard works. You can connect immediately to YouTube or Twitch. I just showed you some of the options here with the overlays and themes, you know, the dashboard and widgets. It does a lot more. There's a lot more options. Technically, it's pretty much the same in terms of how it's set up, but it has a lot more options. I guess it's kind of like buying a car. Do you want a plain Jane 4-cylinder or a 8-cylinder Lexus, Tim? With all the options. Man, but I mean, this looks okay. Yeah, I would have any problem using this if I could figure out how to use this. Yeah, it is Streamlabs. Yeah, like I said, I'm still learning this. And it does look nice. It does look nice. It's probably not that difficult to learn. Test widgets. Super chat, donation. So yeah, that's what the widgets do. It lets me know, like, if somebody super chatted something or subscribed. Yeah, sponsor donation. So that's what these widgets do. It's like a pop-up notification, which I guess is kind of handy. Oh, that's really bright. That is really bright. Yeah, I think I like it this way. But overall, I would say this is pretty nice. I can't really complain. I wonder if it's something in the settings on the chat. I don't know. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not really sure. But that's my quick look at Streamlabs. Promising. Looks pretty slick, actually. Again, this is version 0.90 beta. I believe there is a Linux version in the works. It is not ready from what I understand. Just to let you guys know. So, a lot of nice themes. Adventure. Let's try that one. try this. I'll probably botch it. Install overlay. Let's try that. Installs, okay. The wife has settled on a 2018 Lexus GX. Okay. Yeah, that's the sportier version, if I recall, Tim. Excellent choice. Tell her excellent choice. Yeah, she'll have lots of fun driving that Marshmallow. That's how quiet it is. So this is the overlay. That's pretty cool. What do you think? Loop. Get out of that. All right. Well, I definitely feel like a noob in this one, but that's okay. It's all for learning, right? Let's see here. Filters. Anything gonna happen? No. Okay. I'll definitely have to play with this some more. But this definitely does a lot. Maybe a little bit too much. Anyway. Okay, let me get out of this. Live, we'll go live. We'll do that. But that's pretty cool. Like I said, circuit breaker. Oh, okay. Very good. Second to largest SUV they offer. Good. Yeah, it does. That's a good way to describe it. Whiz bang. Absolutely. Lots of whiz bang, for sure. Okay. All right. So, the larger LX SUV is a little too big for like. It's more the size. The Infiniti, the LX. I believe the smaller SUV, Tim, would be the RX, if I recall. Right? Yeah, the RX. It's been a while since I've been inside a Lexus dealership, but I believe it's the RX. But yeah, I mean, what she picked out is perfectly fine. I think what I'll do with this stream here, I mean, there's obviously a lot to learn here. I wish the chat inside the thing would work. I mean, it worked earlier. I wonder why. I don't know. I'll have to go back and look what I did or didn't do. Yes, I'm stepping up my game. You did a vid on Zork. Zork from Orc. Simpler days, no flashy whiz bang. Yes. Alright, I think what I'm going to do here is, let's see. I don't know how to go back to what I did before. Let me get out of that. Will that work? Yes, remove that. The chat box. Go to studio. Let me go back to studio. I guess I can't, huh? Manage all. Okay, I think what I'll do here is end this. I'm going to refresh here, and I'll jump back on Google Hangouts if you guys want to chat a little longer. Again, I don't have a problem showing you something new if it's new to me, because obviously this is also new for a newbie. So it's very heavy and very buggy. Okay. Yeah, this was the RX. They called the the NX. Okay, that is small. Yeah, it's still in beta. It looks nice though. I would have no problem, playing with this. Like I said, I got this to work before. Let me do this, guys. Let me get out of. I'm gonna end this stream. Give me a few minutes, and I'll jump on Google Hangouts if you guys want to chat some more. How does that sound? If not, I'm going to call this tonight. What say you? You're the boss. And I'm still at a loss with Streamlabs, but it looks pretty slick. But if you guys want to chat some more, that's fine. I'll have to get out of this and jump into Google Hangouts. But yeah, this looks pretty slick. I just got to learn how to use the freaking thing. Oh man. Okay. Let me I don't know how to get back to what I had before started with, but there's the dashboard and alright. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream. And yeah, heavy and buggy. It's not GNOME. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's beta. So alright, let me end this. I'm going to jump back on Google Hangouts.